Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy Instagram profile link. So first you need to tap Instagram. After that, tap the profile at the bottom right corner and then tap edit profile. After that, tap username and then copy it. After you copy the username, go to your home page of your cell phone and then find your browser. For me, I'm gonna use Chrome. After that, type instagram.com and then add slash and then paste your username and then enter. So here you see your profile link. What you're gonna do is copy the whole link of your profile, and that's it. You have now your profile link. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button or click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.